Yeah, it was, the lunch was really good. A bit disappointed with that rolling mill.
Yeah.
Having specifically booked for Sunday lunch, saying that you can't have Sunday lunch. That was a bit left out. Actually,
The steps, just what I want.
Right, here we go with another one here, Herefordshire Beacon.
Oh, hello.
Hello.
Oh, sorry.
No problem. As I say, it's not 100%, the weather might be fucking terrible, but I must admit there are some really nice places around Langarden.
Yeah. But I can get to the Reekin in an hour, so it's not too bad for me, really. Hadrian's Wall, like.
what's this called? Obelisk monument.
Into a bit of mud now down there. Heading up to the monument. What did you go alright there?
No. He nearly died. About 18 months he had a massive stroke.
Towards the obelisk and then down through the Esna Deer Park towards Esna for 1.5 miles. So it is like this way. Yeah.
A lot of people try and do it over 3 days as well, like National 3 Peaks, don't they? One a day. Anyway, I'm not on my own today, look, these two are here, look. So heading back to the Herefordshire Beacon there. A bit muddy in that. Nice. I'm 4 miles now, heading back towards the cave and the Herefordshire Beacon summit.
Yeah.
Looking for points. Okay. That's what you call a spot for lunch, innit, are you? Aye. Yeah, this is the main summit, Herefordshire Beacon. Over that way is the actual highest point in Herefordshire Beacon. Heading down there now, that's nearly 5 miles, so decent little hike. Well, that's it then, all done. Herefordshire Beacon. Another nice one. Thanks a lot to Ed and Loz for coming along. See you next time. I think I've got it wrong. I should have put likes instead of Charles, shouldn't I? No, it wasn't actually on the list, was it today, this one?
No.
So it was got a crafty one in. I don't know.